Hyster-Yale, it's a global NYSE Fortune 1000 company. It used to be one of the largest electric vehicle company, and they used to make forklifts and various electrical products. So they had been looking for high quality lithium ion batteries because they want to move from lead acid to lithium ion. And I think after a lot of testing and interaction with them, they decided Electrovaya was their partner of choice. So we're delighted.
So it's something that you've been working on for some time.
Yes.
Tell us how this particular deal might help with your geographic spread. I mean, you already have operations in the EU, North America, as well as China, I think.
Yes.
Hyster-Yale is even more broadly across the world. Will that change your footprint, your manufacturing footprint?
Our manufacturing is in Canada, Mississauga,
Yeah.
and as well as in Germany. So, we are able to supply both the North American market and the European market. But we are finding a lot of demand coming from Asia as well.
Right.
And we were with, in India, we've got a very fine distributor, and we've got a small sales team now in China. So it's going to increase the demand side. But really, lithium-ion batteries, why OEMs like us, and they're all coming to us, is lithium-ion batteries has this problem with, not problem, it's a challenge on safety.
Right, now, we're thinking of Samsung. So Samsung, over the course of the last week or so, has been it's been recalling because in their new phone, the battery can overheat and cause fires.
Yeah, Samsung's a terrifically great company, but, and this is true for not only Samsung, all lithium-ion batteries, they have a problem about safety. It can overheat, and the technology which stops that safety incident to have this fire, explosion, etc., is a separator material, and the Electrovaya separator, which is a ceramic separator, gives the highest level of safety in a lithium-ion batteries. So we have nearly 20.
Are you talking to Samsung to get your battery in there?
we hope they'll be talking to us. I think they're very busy trying to figure out
what's
happening.
Fire.
Yeah, put out the fire. But we have 20,000 electric Mercedes-Benz smart cars running with our technology, and they are a rare electric auto company with zero safety incident. If you look at a lot of electric car companies, they had, and even Boeing, which is an aircraft company.
I want to talk to you about your company now, which has an incredible share price increase. We're going to put the chart up of the stock in just a minute. You on the TSX have now been included in the S&P TSX Renewable Energy and Clean Technology Index, as well as the Small Cap Index. When we look at a world of passive investing and we see all kinds of fund managers trying to invest in green investments, invest in the future and technology investments. If you're included on this, you're going to get picked up probably. Is that the opportunity?
Yeah, I think that's the opportunity, and it gives us credibility also. In one sense, Canada has not been known for, although we have tremendous technology, but Silicon Valley is known for technology, right? And Mississauga is not known yet for technology, but so these things help us get the credibility. And lithium-ion batteries or energy storage is such a global challenge. In fact, in the Paris Convention on Climate Change, they outlined that the energy storage, storing electrons effectively, is what the whole world is looking for. And I think we at Electrovaya has got the solution to it, both safety and cycle life and other usage.
What do you have on the horizon that you might go to the markets for further financing? Is there the idea is to store more, right? I mean, this will be the evolution of what you're doing and of what every battery company, storage company is trying to do. How do you push that forward? How do you see that happening?
What we're doing is we're teaming up with great global OEMs. So Hyster-Yale is in the forklift business, and we've got a terrific OEM there. We are teaming up with Con Edison, which is the New York utility for major utility grid energy storage systems.
Oh, really? So
yes, and that I think the first systems getting delivered probably in the next few months.
That's something that you could to scale out to all kinds of different utility providers.
Yes, absolutely. It goes.
Are you speaking to Canadian utility
Oh,
providers?
we are.
Anything close?
I think the Con Edison is a good way of starting, but we are talking to a lot of Canadian utilities and also to European utilities. So there's a big groundswell coming in. And then we are seeing ourselves in electric buses. There's a tremendous interest coming in electric buses. We are now teaming up with OEMs in electric buses, and then
and these are buses for municipalities, transit buses,
transit buses in cities.
Right.
All cities are running with diesel buses or diesel hybrid buses. Nobody likes it. It spews out carcinogens, and everybody wants to be clean. And this is going to be then an estimate of $32 billion worth of lithium-ion batteries.
So would you have partnerships with the municipalities, or would you look to the new flyers of the world?
We will look to the new flyers of the world.
Okay.
And the bus
people who are
companies.
building the bus
and
companies.
then residential battery storage.
Yes.
Wow, we are just picking up massive demand there.
So how directly, and you have 30 seconds to answer this because I need to wrap this up, but how directly are you competing with Tesla? Do you look at yourself as a Tesla direct competitor? Yeah?
We think they're a tremendously great company which is creating the market. They're a fantastically strong marketing company. We are a fantastically strong technology company. So you need the marketing company to develop the market, and then Electrovaya comes in and picks up the market because we are better in technology.